Today A400M arrived in Bremen, so we've just integrated the system on board the A400M, and well, it's just exciting to see that now we can start. Finally, we're there. You know, we did all the engineering tests, we did the lab tests, and now the aircraft is here. So it's just a pleasure to see this big plane and put it on the aircraft and go fly.
It's a novel, say, mixed crew between WTD-61, Airbus flight test personnel, plus the specialists on board from SFL and Gerards. We managed to achieve the main objective of today, which is to eject the UAV from the A400M and demonstrate that it can separate cleanly away. The weather's been a bit challenging today, but we managed to get everything to fall into place to lead to a successful drop.
We've had very bad weather in the morning and then a very, very small slot, and we managed, or the crew managed, to make it happen. So we launched.